In this video, I'll show you how to turn on, off, and how to customize the vibration settings of your Casio G-Shock GBD-200, because you can turn vibration on for almost everything, turn it off, but you can also customize and get vibration only for specific things you choose. So let me show you how to do it. First step is to press the left side button over here, top left side, during 2 seconds to enter the menu of the watch. Then over here, we'll need to press the left lower button a few times until we select vibration. Once we're over here, vibration, press the start button to confirm. And here we're going to have two different options, operation and notification. Just like it's self-explanatory. If you choose operation by pressing the start button, you can turn on and off. This has to do with anything that is not a notification. So if you're in run mode or other feature or menus of the watch that vibrates, you can turn this on and off. I'll keep it off. Press start to confirm. But I think most people will watch this video because they want to turn on or off vibration for specific notifications. And to do so, you need to select notification, left side lower button once, start button, and here we have all on, user, and all off. Well, obviously the first and the last options are to turn all the vibration on or off, but the most interesting one is user. Select it using these left side buttons and then press start to confirm. Now user means that you'll have to connect your G-Shock watch with your Android or iPhone, so you can customize which notifications gets a vibration or not. I have a separate video on how to connect both of these together, and I'll try to put it on the screen right now or in the description. Once you have connected your GBD-200 to the G-Shock Move app on your device, open the app, press on More on the lower right side here. Then you're gonna go over here where it says Watch. Go down where it says sound and vibration. Once you're in the sound and vibration menu, you'll need to go on the last option, which is notification vibration. Right now it's all on. If I tap on it, I'm gonna see specific notifications that my watch can receive, and I can turn them off or on depending what I want. Now, as you notice here, there's no app in this list. So let's say you don't want to receive any vibration from Gmail. Well, you won't be able to set it over here. You need to set this separately, and it's different on Apple, iPhone, and Android smartphones. On your iPhone, you need to go into the settings and select notifications. Go down, and here you have all the apps. For example, I don't want to get any notification from McDonald's app. I'll tap on it and I will deselect notification screen and banner. By removing this and only keeping the lock screen, it will mean that I'll still receive this notification on the lock screen of my phone, but this won't go further and alert my watch that there is a notification. Therefore, it will not beep, it will not vibrate when I'll get a McDonald's notification. So if lock screen only is selected, the notification will stay on the phone only. You can also select to get that notification on the watch by selecting notification center. If you have this checked on your iPhone, it means that the notification will go through your watch. Therefore, it will vibrate. So this is something to keep in mind. If you have an Android smartphone, I don't have one at this moment, but I will tell you what you need to do. You need to go into the settings of your phone, then select Move app, then select all apps, which should be the last option in that menu. Finally, select the apps that you'll want to get a notification from on your watch. And those selected, once you get a notification, will make your watch vibrate. So I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you have something to add, maybe to help somebody else, maybe something that I missed. And I'll see you in the next video.